The reason we created these initial robots was to solve a pretty basic problem. Weeds have become resistant to herbicides, and so then you have to use more of those chemicals. There's no resistance to a blade. The process is pretty simple. I am a farmer, so I designed it to work for farmers. They let us know when they planted the crop. We actually fly a drone. We use that drone to basically map the field. And then we come in and we use machine vision, AI algorithms. We're determining where the rows are. And as the robot's going around, they're talking to each other and deciding where they're going to go. The farmers don't have to even be there. We don't even have to be there.
All right, final bots in position. I'm getting ready to spin them up.
So we have weed cutting bots running through a field at a high speed, and we never touch the crops. We let them know when it's done. We give them a report at the end of this, and we try to keep it as simple as possible. There's a lot of advantages to robots. One is that they're small. They're lighter weight. They're much easier to maintain. They're much lower cost. Anything on our robots can be replaced in 15 minutes or less. And that was my edict working on poorly designed equipment growing up and throwing my wrenches across the farm. We build them ourselves right here in Kansas. The second thing is they can run day or night. Someone's going to have to work long days and nights. Is it a farmer out there on their tractor day and night, or is it a robot? We're basically trying to figure out what are the pain points? What is the issue for the farmer? And so we're trying to lower that stress level for them, and at the same time put them on a path to healthier crops, which means healthier food for all of us.
My name's John Neeman. We farm in Reno County. The farm we did last year with Greenfield Robotics on a sorghum field. We ran the robots on 70 of the 80 acres, so we had 10 acres that we didn't have the robots run. There was like a 15, 20 bushel difference between the 10 acres that had not had the robots and what the rest of the field that had the robots. I see this as a next generation mindset. We want to do what's right for the future, and we want to do what's right now.
My name is Will Hasty, and I'm a farmer. Some of the most challenging parts of farming are to do what's best, but still do that profitably. We like working with Greenfield Robotics because it helps us achieve the goal of remaining profitable and growing as farmers, because it doesn't matter what we do. If we can't make a profit, then we're not farming anymore. As Greenfield Robotics' portfolio grows, and there's going to be a lot more opportunity in the future, especially involving regenerative agriculture, so we can control weeds and we can improve soil health.